As designers, browsing through Pinterest is one of our most favorite things to do. I can spend hours and hours looking through. It's a great source for inspiration and staying updated amongst the design community. So today I'm going to share 5 walls that I created in my projects inspired from Pinterest and how I incorporated them in my designs. Hi guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer, and welcome to my channel Color-Aaza Architecture and Interior Design. Using Buddha in interiors is a great way to add a calm element. I was browsing through Pinterest for full wall Buddha mural for an entrance foyer area and I came across this image. Luckily I found the original artist's details and got it made. It's made by carving Cypress blocks and it was made at the artist's workshop and then installed at site. The joints were then filled, the mural was painted and finally brought to life. It is one of my most cherished creations. I saw this image and absolutely loved its modern design. I had few options to create this design with different materials, but I chose to get it machine carved on Indian sandstone Bholpur. It was installed on site and I loved its natural and rugged look. Wood paneling is the most common option explored by designers. It's timeless. When I saw this image, I got inspired to create it. I used veneer, MDF and mirror. Mirror is a great way in adding the glam factor to any space. Using different types of light fixtures is my absolute favorite. The effect light can bring into any space is simply magical. When I saw this image, I thought of it to be a very smart idea to highlight a space. So I used LED wall washers and placed them in this way, creating this magical wonder wall. Next is yet another inspiration of using light differently, but creating this was a bit technical. So I got wood paneling done, got metal sheet bent into pipes and installed 1 watt LEDs under each of the metal pipe, and finally loved the signature wall. So those were 5 creations inspired from Pinterest. Sometimes you get ideas inspired by looking at something and sometimes it just comes to you out of the blue. But whatever is the creation, it involves a lot of planning, hard work to convert your imagination into reality. So let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.